Hello, I'm Dr. Ifat Zafar Agha, co-founder and COO of Sehat Kahani, and today I'm really excited that I am in Mirpur Mathello. You may have been following our journey. We have a legacy of building a nationwide network of 65 e-health centers all across Pakistan. We've had massive success in creating healthcare accessibility in remote communities, not only for refugee communities but nationwide in all the different provinces. We've also worked actively with the Ministry of IT in AJK, where we have built telemedicine in collaboration with the ministry and have set up telemedicine in the basic healthcare units after giving healthcare access to refugees, also Hindu minority communities in interior Sindh with the support of Rotary, and enabling various healthcare accessibilities and specialities, including mental well-being, for example, with British Asian Trust. Today, we are here doing something really exciting in Mirpur Mathello in collaboration with FFC, the Fauji Fertilizers Corporation, and we are doing something really exciting with them. With the support of FFC, not only are we enabling healthcare access using telemedicine and digital healthcare in the remote communities of Mirpur Mathello and Machi Got, but it's not just access to physicians that we are striving for, it's access to specialities. We're creating an entire sexual reproductive healthcare program, a mental well-being program, and a pediatric program enabling access to various specialities, medications, as well as referrals to tertiary care hospitals catering to all of these ailments. We've done massive screenings here in terms of patients who come with disabilities, with vision disorders, and the whole notion is to build not only health education campaigns around enabling access to healthcare services which enable people to understand what cause disabilities in people, what cause vision disorders, but to also create the entire mechanism to treat them. So this is not just giving a doctor to a community, it's so much more than that. It's enabling healthcare access at the wider level. It's enabling services for people in the remote communities to have the equivalent kind of services that people like you and me have.